Big muddies. Woo! Big barra.
There we go.
Little work. Ripper. Yes! Nice purple crab.
The mission today, Barramundi, Fitzroy River. I've got Adam here with me from the UK, and he's a Barra virgin. So, I said, want to do a mission? Pick you up at 3 AM. We'll drive to the river, launch at 6, then we'll fish for 12 hours. We're going in on the tide and out on the tide, fish for 12 hours. And then we'll drive home. Be home about 8:39 that night. So let's do it. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can get this guy one. And if you enjoy this video, guys, at the end, give me a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel to grow. Alright, thank you very much.
You got boots on, mate, do you?
Yeah, I've got thongs in the car though.
Might want to stand and hold the boat here for me.
Yeah.
Turn that, the top one. Top, yeah, you got it.
Yeah.
Now we're fishing. What's that caddy, mate? That will hurt. Oh no, they're all mullet.
Little
Oh, yeah. Alright, let's get them in, let's go.
Yeah.
Oh, I got off. Are you serious? Oh shit. What the fuck is that? Still there? Oh, still there. What is that one? Oh, it's a sorry, I think. Saw shark, I think, mate.
Oh, really?
You want to pull yours in?
Yeah.
Pull your line in just so we don't tangle everything up. Got excited. I thought it was a barra.
Good morning to you coming up after the 10 o'clock news. Because we are heading to the Pilbara Reef Game program, trying to get people young people in the community engaged.
Oh, snap.
Oh.
Fucking saw
After all that.
Nice you can do.
Yeah, it's a good overhanging tree for shade though. It's a shame there's so much shit underneath it.
I'm getting a tickle, or is he just... Boat's not moving. It's not showing itself. I might be able to jump by now.
I'm gonna try and get you into that snag, you reckon?
No, he didn't, did he? Something wrong.
Scissors and that.
More than we like scissors. But see how we go. Like to have a look at it.
Yeah.
Come on. The big barra! The big barra! It's a big barra, my friend. Got that camera going?
Yeah.
See the fucking size of that one?
I don't think I got him on camera.
No, is it on? It's alright.
It's on though, yeah.
Don't worry about the net, mate.
Yeah.
Get that other rod in for me.
Yeah.
Get that in, go. That's what we've been waiting for, guys. It's not Adam's fish, he didn't catch it himself, but he's here and he's got to hold the camera for an minute. It's gonna go fucking nuts. Wait with me, mate, 'cause come right up to the edge. It's about 90, I reckon. Like a shark chasing it. It just woke up. Just woke up, mate. Over here. Big barrel. Yes! Whoa! Yes! Woo! Sorry, I got a bit excited.
That's what the weight's been for.
Fuck yeah.
Bring him up and show him. Oh yes.
That's what we've been waiting for, people. Look at the hook job, look at that. Fucking beautiful. Let's get it on the mat. Let's get a fucking measure. Fuck, the drone's going now. It's not a metery. Close. It's 90, so it's 90, I reckon. Come on. Oh, not that big, not that big. 85, 86, 87. Nice. 87. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa. Good.
Yeah.
That's number one. Let's get it in. Come over here, mate. We've done it. 88. Fucking quality barra. That's what we've been being tormented by all day. It's ready to go. Go, mate. We done it. You get your heart going, or
Yeah.
you turn it off, yeah, and as well.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go. Here, at least catch something. Go, see what it is. Hopefully it's a barrel, mate. Nice, nice. Take your time, enjoy it, mate. There, yeah. Yeah, go.
Right.
So let it come around the motor and jump around and carry on. You're right.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, he's it.
Yeah. You're right. You keep playing with him. Let you have some fun with it, mate. Remember this side if you want. Keep that line tight.
Yeah.
Oh, shark's got it.
Oh.
Shark just ate it.
Oh really?
Yeah. What you got?
No. He's off,
So
whatever.
fine, he's off. No, you got him here.
Oh, fuck, he's coming towards us.
Water bomb, mate, here it is.
Yeah.
You finally got one. Don't take the line any closer. It's a good one. Oh, you're kidding me.
Oh, broke it.
Fuck, you got no luck, mate.
Fuck.
Yeah, no luck.
Fuck.
splash. Sharky. There's a fucking shark. Said that last time it turned under the boat.
He want to show himself, doesn't he?
That's how heavy he is. How big it is.
Oh, yeah.
No wonder they go so hard, eh? Look at it.
Yeah.
Look at the size of it. Look at the saw on it. The scissors, mate. We'll ping it. Let's get out of here. Oh. They're what we saw up in the shallows. Fuck it. At least I got a bit of line back off him. Sorry, mate. Let's go. Oh well, just finished on a saw shark. That'll pretty much round it up our day. We're gonna get back before before it's dark. Yeah. Well, we got the 88. You could say that we got a 60 and a 70.
Yeah.
So technically we got 3. We missed a few.
Yeah. I don't think Kay will take that.
Kay won't take that. No, it's not in the esky.
On the boat, it doesn't count, I reckon.
The Barra Virgin's been sort of half.
Yeah.
It's been played with, but
yeah,
not completely de-virginised.
Yeah.
So, till next time. Woo!